friend Tim trying to drill a hole for my old school cruiser's fleet. Not going very well. Hey Tim, say hi, you're on camera. Okay, that works. This is not working well. And he's getting evil. That's evil, dude. And then to boot, got to do it in this parking lot because I was kicked out of, well, I wasn't kicked out, the police told me to quietly leave. So here I am, I'm in a cold, was on the ground for a little while, but decided to take a video of Tim doing it. Might as well show you his new car. There's his new car, 2007 Dodge Caliber. Oh, he loves that car. CVT transmission. Oh, he left it running too. Maybe we can take it for a ride. There's his new car. There's the other half of the Bruise brother sitting back there in his truck, enjoying it. Needed to provide some light for us. Let's check out Tim's car. Get in trouble. No, not really. I wouldn't do that. Nice car. Nice, and for him it's got plenty of room. For me it wouldn't have enough room. Uh-oh, I'm being called. What? What?
Go-go juice gone.
Huh? What? Go-go juice.
Go-go juice.
That's the only battery we brought.
Yeah, I know.
Is it dead? It sounds alright. Yeah, I hear it. Shit. Yep, call you out. See y'all later soon. Got a problem. Later. Have fun.